Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro, Mavic Air, Spark, tablet mount by Freewell. I got that coming right up. I'd like to thank the folks at Freewell for supplying me with this tablet mount for the DJI Mavic Pro, Mavic Air, and Spark to be able to review. Without any further ado, let's get into the review. Okay, we're going to take a look. I've already mounted the tablet and hooked it up to my controller, so I wanted to first show you one item of note. If you have a case on your iPad, you will want to remove it because it will not fit in here with a case. I did try it. I have an OtterBox on this and it does not fit in there, but without the case, it fits in there perfectly. There's absolutely no problems with that. Want to take a look at it from behind, and you can tell here there's a nice ball joint that's in here. It's very flexible. This is where you can adjust it as far as being able to adjust the viewing angle. And let's take a look at it from behind so you can take a look. This is very solid in metal in here. Very, very, very nice. And you can take a look and see there's holes to be able to pass your cable through. I didn't do that, just I wanted to show you, be able to show you those holes. So overall, this was very impressive to me. It's very solid. It's a very good feel. You can take a look. You can see, you know, both your display screen and the Mavic controller that I have right now. But again, that would be the same for your Spark or for your Mavic Air. But overall, very impressive, very solid. It will do well. Like I said, the only item of note is if you have a case on your iPad mini or iPad, other iPad, I would definitely recommend you take the case off before you put it on there. Otherwise, this is absolutely fantastic, something I recommend. Overall, this is a very solid tablet mount for your controller for the DJI Mavic Pro, for the DJI Mavic Air, and the DJI Spark. Absolutely solid feel to it. It feels good in your hands. There will be a link in the description for you to be able to purchase this through Amazon. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates there as well. Thanks so much for watching and happy flying.